Hi, I'm Selena Preyer-Blakney. I'm a student in the MS program. I have this semester and one class to take over the summer, and then I can graduate. So the end is in sight. I currently work two part-time jobs. I work for the Sage Colleges as a graduate assistant, teaching my first class this semester, Introduction to Food Science. And I also work for the Sylvia Center. We are a nonprofit organization that teaches cooking and nutrition to youth, teens, and families. Our main office is located in New York City. However, I work in our upstate office, which is in Columbia County, and we service most of Columbia County. So that is my experience with programs and interventions. At the Sylvia Center, we aim to inspire self-efficacy in cooking, to also help promote choosing fresh fruits and vegetables, and to build confidence in that whole process. So that's what I also hope to get out of this class. We recently hired a registered dietitian as our director, and she has a lot of experience with these types of programs. So she knows how to evaluate the program and compare it to evidence-based research to see how well the program is meeting the needs of our targeted population. So I would love to get some more knowledge on how to do that so that I can do that for our upstate office. Maybe I could spearhead that data collection and evaluation in order to help see if our programs are meeting the needs of our target population, and also to see if we are working in the best capacity that we can be because we are a really small staff. So yeah, so that's what I'm hoping for, and I'm really looking forward to this class and this semester. So thanks so much.